Welcome back to LAKIOO. In the previous lesson, we created a project and published it to USB drive. Now, we will prepare this playback device by installing LAKIOO Player, connect with this screen, and finally we'll import the project. To begin, open your web browser and visit lakio.com. Navigate to Support and Download section. Click to download the version of LAKIOO Player for your device. Fill the form and click Download free demo. Once the download is complete, run the installer. The installation process takes a few moments, and after the installation is finished, LAKIOO Player will be automatically launched. Now enter your license key and click Activate. In the next steps, enter name for the player. This name will help you identify the device later, especially when managing multiple players. Configure password to protect access to the player. Cloud connectivity can be configured later, skip for now. And after the setup wizard is complete, the LAKIOO Player settings will appear. Enable Start with Windows, apply changes, and Play project. The player will switch to playback mode. Take the USB drive containing the project that was previously published from LAKIOO Creator and insert it into player device. LAKIOO Player will automatically import the project and start playing the content. You have successfully installed and configured LAKIOO Player and imported your first project using USB drive. At this point, your content is playing locally and the system is fully operational. In the next lesson, we'll connect both LAKIOO Creator and LAKIOO Player to the LAKIOO Cloud, enabling remote content management and publishing.